The chess, not checkers mindset encourages strategic thinking in personal and professional decisions by emphasizing the importance of planning for long-term goals instead of seeking immediate gratification. This idiom highlights the difference between chess, which requires foresight and complex strategies, and checkers, which involves quick, straightforward moves. Applying this mindset means considering how choices, like selecting a job with growth potential over a tempting sign-on bonus, impact your future. It can also be relevant in relationships, finances, and other aspects of life, reminding us to focus on our ultimate objectives rather than getting sidetracked by short-term challenges. To succeed, establish a clear action plan. Break down goals into manageable steps and maintain a proactive approach to anticipate obstacles, ensuring you stay aligned with your endgame.